Hey girl, how is it going? So today I'm back at it with another wig review for you. So I have a wig here from Zee Elle or Zee Elle. So this is part of their synthetic wig collection. And they do have human hair wigs as well. I've been following them for a while. Their human hair wigs are actually really pretty. I haven't tried them yet, but I do want to. But today we're going to be reviewing one of their synthetic wigs, and it's a brunette wig. If you've been following me for a while, you know I've never really tried a brunette wig per se. I did my Maleficent costume for Halloween with like the black hair, and a lot of you actually said that you liked me with the darker hair, but I'm so nervous. Okay, so this is, I'm gonna start unboxing it. So this is what she looks like. Like literally I can do every color in the rainbow and like every color, but when it comes to being a brunette, I'm just like, I get so intimidated. I think brunettes are so beautiful, but I just don't know if I can pull it off. But you guys can let me know today. I haven't even tried this on yet. So this is what she looks like. So this is part of their Illusion wig collection. I think that's what it's called. Hold on. Yeah, their Illusion synthetic wig collection. So this is kind of like their premium synthetic wig. So the fibers are really soft, and I don't know if you can see, but it does look like human hair. Like even in real life, it does look pretty nice. Like it doesn't look super, super shiny or like really wiggy like how some synthetic hairs do. All right, so one of the features of this wig is it does come with a pre-plucked hairline. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and try to show you what this looks like. All right, so hopefully you can see this. So this is kind of where it looks like this is where your average wig would end, with like a thicker hairline. But on this one, they added like 1/2 inch of this area here with like a lower density of hairs to kind of mimic that pre-plucked natural hairline look. So that's what it looks like. So it's very sparse, and then it kind of goes into this like thicker area here. And because it is synthetic, you can't bleach the knots. So you do kind of see those black dots of the knots. So I don't know how that will look like once we put it on, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna try this on in just a second, but I do wanna show you what else comes in the bag. So they give you a little card with care instructions, which is really helpful actually, because caring for a synthetic wig is different than caring for a human hair wig. They do require different kinds of care and different methods of washing it and stuff like that. So this was actually really helpful. And they also give you a wig cap or 2 wig caps. So that's always good as well. So let's go ahead and try this wig on. I feel like I need to make my eyebrows darker for this or something. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Let me put this wig cap on. Oh, and I didn't even show you the inside of the wig. So let me do that before I put it on. So it is a lace front. So we got the lace in the front, and then we have the wefts and the tracks in the back. And we do have an elastic band. And we have a little comb in the middle and a comb in the bottom, as well as the adjustable straps. So that is the cap construction. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna actually cut this little tag off, and then I'm gonna put this on my head. Oh my God. All right, let's fix this. I have to say, on first impressions, the elastic band is so comfortable. Oh my gosh, that like thicker band, it feels so good. So the fit is really comfortable. I need to cut this lace off. I feel like it's really distracting. But let me just brush this. And it does kind of tangle a little bit at the end, just in the way that synthetic hairs or synthetic wigs do. I feel like I need to set apart as well. So this isn't really sitting right. So let me cut the lace off and then put this back on, and we'll kind of like readjust. All right, I'm back. I cut off the lace, and I did look up a little bit more about this wig. So let me tell you, her name is Calais. She is synthetic hair, 22 inches, 150% density. And she comes with a free part, so she doesn't come with a set part, which is kind of why you don't see a part. You can kind of see that one is forming, but you part it basically wherever you want using a hot tool, maximum 160 degrees. So I do have a hot comb here, so I'm going to try to set a part in just a second. I put it on like the lowest setting. And okay, so this is the only one in this collection that comes with medium brown lace. The rest of the wigs come with transparent lace, so just keep that in mind if you are going to get a wig from this collection. So I got the only one with medium brown lace, so you can kind of see it doesn't exactly match me. So just keep that in mind if you are going to get this wig. All right, so this is what the part is looking like, and I did cut off a little bit more of the lace there just because it wasn't matching and it wasn't looking right. So I'm just going to get a little bit of some foundation powder and put that in the part just to lighten it up a little bit. Alright, so that's what that looks like, and let me just stand up and show you how long the wig is. So this is what it looks like. So it kind of just goes down to my waist. I'm kind of feeling it. I can see a brunette Jana in the future. I do want to get like a human hair version of this, but this is really fun to try out, so let me know what you guys think. Do you think I can pull off being a brunette? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys want to pick up a wig from Zee LA, I'll leave a link for everything in the description box down below. So either one of these synthetic wigs, or you can check out their human hair wigs as well. And they did give me a discount code, so all the details will be in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!